Hi guys, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to make smooth particles transition in After Effects. First, ready with your clips. Now duplicate your transition clip. Now go few frames backward and adjust it. After that, go in first frame of clip and freeze frame it. Now open your composition settings and put here your clip frame rate. After that, select your clip and make a mask of your character. I here use Roto brush tool for masking. Set feather 15 and shift edge -7. Now pre-compose this clip. After that, put your original frame rate in composition setting. Now go in first frame of pre-compose layer and freeze frame it. Now adjust your freeze frame clip according to your transition duration. After that, I apply S Blur Curves effect. Now make a Shift Y keyframe in end. Now go in first frame of clip and adjust your Shift Y keyframe until your character doesn't go outside the composition. After that, I apply S Dissolve Speckle effect. Set frequency 16. Make a dissolve % keyframe in first frame, put value 100. Now go in end frame and put here value 0. After that, select both keyframes and easy ease. Now open your graph editor and make a speed graph like me. Now take a adjustment layer on above of your clips. Now on adjustment layer, I apply my blur and shake effect. Now our smooth particles transition is ready. Thanks for watching this. See you soon guys.